guys, it's Whitney from BYO Playground, where we feature the best in playground equipment made right here in the United States. We're rolling out February's Playground of the Month sale. So without further ado, let's get started.
This structure features nearly a dozen different playground equipment components and can accommodate up to 45 children ages 2 to 12 years old. At 40% off plus free shipping, this playground structure is perfect for a variety of organizations, including parks, schools, and churches. You can take advantage of this playground equipment sale by clicking on the link in the description below. We feature plenty of other forms of playground equipment, site amenities, dog park equipment, and anything you may need for your outdoor and recreation space. Hope to see you there.